Who holds the record for the most goals scored from outside the box in football history? Many fans might assume it's Roberto Carlos or David Beckham, but surprisingly, they don't even make it into the top 5. Here are the top 5 players with the most goals from outside the box. At number 5, Kevin De Bruyne with 36 goals. Number 4, Zlatan Ibrahimovic with 38 goals. Number 3, Frank Lampard with 41 goals. Number 2, Cristiano Ronaldo with 69 goals. And leading the pack, Lionel Messi with a staggering 105 goals.
These are 4 players who scored more than 50 goals in one season, excluding penalty kicks, in the last century. In 4th place is Lionel Messi, who scored 59 goals in the 2011-2012 season. In 3rd place is Lionel Messi, who scored 55 goals in the 2012-2013 season. In 2nd place is Lionel Messi, who scored 52 goals in the 2014-2015 season. But in 1st place is Cristiano Ronaldo. No, I'm kidding. He's Lionel Messi, who also scored 55 goals in the 2015-2016 season. Messi is the only one who scored more than 50 goals in one season without counting penalty kicks.